Hello everyone, this is English Nerd, and in this video I'm going to show you the difference between some animals. Let's get started. What is this? This is dog. But this is puppy. What is this? This is cat. But this is kitten. What is this? This is sheep. And this is lamb. What is this? This is cow. And this is calf. Calf. What is this? This is deer. But what is this? This is fawn. What is this? This is a horse. And this is fowl. What is this? This is tiger. But what is this? This is cup. Cup. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.